In the previous video lessons, you have defined your brand values, learned to use high-frequency words for your brand name, and learned all about 7 different types of brand names to choose from. In this video lesson, you name your brand. Welcome to Fashion Business Mastermind, the mentorship program that helps you quit fear, get focused, and streamline your fashion business. I'm Julia Antofia, fashion inventor and manufacturer, 15 years in business, and your mentor on this wonderful journey. Stay tuned until the end of the video and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get started. Before we dive into the exercise, I would like to mention a strategy that is very relevant for fashion inventors like you and me. I suggest adopting 2 brand names, 2 trademarks, one for your umbrella brand, the mother brand, and another one for your invention. For an umbrella brand, my preference goes to the name of the founder, evocative brand name, evocative descriptive combination, or founder evocative combination. For your fashion invention, my preference goes to a descriptive name, invented name, or evocative descriptive combination. Why the strategy? Look, you are not a seasonal fashion brand launching generic products every season. You are a fashion inventor, an artist inventing iconic fashion products. And each iconic product deserves a name. What is your favorite movies production company? Let's say that mine is the New Line Cinema. Imagine all movies of the New Line Cinema would be called the New Line Cinema. So we could have this conversation. I would go, "Hey Natalie, have you seen the New Line Cinema movie?" And Natalie would go, "Oh, do you mean the New Line Cinema one?" And me again, "No, I mean the New Line Cinema one." There is a reason why every production, every movie has a name. Every art piece has a name. Your invention, your product has to have a name. You want to have an umbrella trademark to be able to extend your product portfolio and your market in the future. And you want to have a sub-brand for your iconic product, making branding of the product more focused. An example of such branding is Mademoiselle by Coco Chanel, where Coco Chanel is an umbrella brand allowing for extensive business development in all different directions, and Mademoiselle is a sub-brand representing one particular fragrance. If you do not feel like operating 2 brands, which is absolutely fine, please choose a brand name that represents your product. There are 3 ways to come up with a brand name. 1, you either throw a brand name party by inviting your most creative friends either to your home or to a Zoom call and brainstorm your brand names, or you may hire a professional to create your brand name, or you can brainstorm your brand name by yourself. I've certainly done all 3 for various brands we had to come up with. For the brainstorm session, please download the brand name exercise from under this video and work on it. The exercise gives you a matrix of possible brand name structures. You may have a pure founder's name, a pure descriptive name, etc., or a combination of those. Use free online name generators for your brainstorming. Find links to the brand name generators in the resources section of the exercise. Free brand name generators help you generate hundreds of brand names and check availability of the corresponding domain names in real time. After the brainstorming, put all your ideas into the list of favorites and answer 5 questions for every name candidate. 1, does this name carry and reflect core values of your brand? Yes or no? 2, is it relevant to you and your target group? Yes or no? 3, does it have high vibration? Yes or no? 4, is the trademark available? Yes or no? And 5, is the .com domain available? Yes or no? Names that have at least 1 no are not suitable. Please see links to the trademark search databases and resources section of the exercise. Often a .com domain is available but is listed as a high-price premium domain. If you cannot afford it right now, no worries. Purchase a .net domain and budget for your .com later. If you find brainstorming in company or by yourself too difficult or time-consuming, simply go to fiverr.com and hire a brand name professional. Search for the Naming Your Brand book or invention on fiverr.com and you will find a list of vendors providing this type of service. It is very cost-effective and we have great experience with this particular method. When placing an order with a brand naming professional, include the following things into the briefing. 1, description of your fashion invention. 2, your brand values. 3, your target group. And 4, your preference for the name type. The last suggestion is do not grow too attached to your brand name ideas until your trademark is approved. Lots can happen in between. Nothing is final until it is registered for your market. I wish you a lot of joy naming your brand. Once done, fill in your brand name on page 1 of your business plan. As long as it is not trademarked, put a TM sign in the top right corner of the brand name to claim the brand as soon as you came up with it. If you are not in our program yet and this video inspired you to join Fashion Business Mastermind, comment "I want in" the comments below and unlock your insane 14 days free trial today by following the link in the description. You get access to Fashion Business Mastermind exercises by joining the program. Much love, Julia Antofiev.